Listen, there's one thing she does at night that gives away everything. And when I tell you what it is, you're going to go back through your messages and realize you've been completely blind. Most guys are looking for obvious signals during the day. Big gestures, clear compliments, direct confessions. But the truth is, when a woman is secretly obsessed with you, her nighttime behavior reveals something she'd never admit in daylight. And once you know what to look for, you'll never miss it again. I'm going to show you the exact nighttime behaviors that prove she's thinking about you way more than she'll ever say. And I'm warning you right now, some of these are so specific, so subtle, that when you see them, you'll question if I've been reading your DMs, because these aren't theories. This is based on behavioral psychology that most men will never understand. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to watch for, and more. Importantly, you'll understand why these signs mean she's already emotionally hooked, even if she's acting cold and distant when the sun is up. But here's the part that's going to shock you. There's one nighttime behavior she does that she has absolutely no control over, and it's the strongest proof of obsession you'll ever get. I'll reveal that in a minute. But first, let's start with the obvious one that's hiding in plain sight. The late night text pattern and the hidden signal inside it. Picture this, it's 11 p.m, maybe midnight, sometimes even 2 a.m, and your phone lights up with her name. It's not an emergency. It's not about logistics or plans. It's random, a meme, a question that could have waited a hey you up that somehow turns into a 2-hour conversation about absolutely nothing important. Now, most guys think this is casual. They think she's just bored or can't sleep. But here's what's really happening, and this is going to sound crazy. She's lying in bed. Her mind is supposed to be winding down, but instead she's thinking about you, and the urge to reach out becomes so overwhelming that she convinces herself she has a reason to text you. But here's the part that's going to blow your mind. The reason she gives you that meme, that random question, that hey stranger message, that's not the real reason. The real reason is buried in what happens after you respond. Stay with me, because this next part separates the guys who get it from the guys who stay confused forever. When you reply, watch how fast she responds. If it's within seconds or minutes, even though it's late at night, that means she wasn't actually doing anything else. She was waiting for you, her phone was in her hand, and you were the only notification she cared about. That's not boredom. That's obsession with a mask on. But here's where it gets even crazier, and I need you to really pay attention to this. The thing she does that she doesn't even know she's doing. This one is going to sound so specific that you'll think I'm making it up. But check your message history after this. You'll see I'm right. When a woman is obsessed with you, she keeps the conversation going at night like her life depends on it. You say something simple, she responds with a paragraph. You make a joke. She laughs and then adds 3 more thoughts. You try to wind down the conversation naturally, and she brings up a completely new topic out of nowhere. Here's why this is a dead giveaway. At night, people are exhausted. They want to disconnect, scroll mindlessly, or sleep, but she's choosing to stay engaged with you instead. And here's the part that's going to seem unbelievable. She's doing this because ending the conversation means you're gone, and subconsciously she's terrified of that feeling. So she asks another question. She finds another thread. She does anything to keep you there. But wait, because there's something even more revealing hiding in those late night conversations. And when I tell you what it is, you're going to realize just how deep this goes. She opens up about things she never posts online. This is where it gets uncomfortable, because once you see this pattern, you can't unsee it. During the day, people wear masks. They're filtered. They stick to safe topics. But at night, the walls come down. If she's sharing deeply personal things with you late at night, childhood memories, family issues, her fears, her dreams, things she'd never post on social media, that's not just trust, that's emotional addiction. Here's what I mean. Women are extremely selective about vulnerability. They don't open up to just anyone, and they definitely don't open up to guys they're not emotionally attached to. So when she's lying in bed at midnight, typing out her deepest thoughts and hitting send, she's not just making conversation. She's creating a bond. She's building intimacy. She's making you essential to her emotional world. And here's the scary part. Once a woman does this with you, you become the person she thinks about when she's alone. You become the voice in her head. You become the standard she compares everyone else to. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds too specific. There's no way this is real. Let me prove it to you, because the next sign is so obvious yet so misunderstood that 99% of guys completely miss it. Before I reveal that, do me a favor, hit the like button right now, because what's coming next is going to connect dots you didn't even know existed, and I need to know you're serious about understanding this. Let's keep going. She sends you pictures from her bed, and here's what they really mean. Okay, this one is going to make you go back through your gallery. Maybe it's a selfie with messy hair. Maybe it's her in pajamas watching a show. Maybe it's just her room, her ceiling, her pet, or something random she's looking at. But here's what most guys don't understand, and this is critical. Nighttime is private time. It's when you're your most authentic self. No makeup, no filters, no performance, just you in your most vulnerable state. When a woman repeatedly shares that version of herself with you, she's not being friendly. She's doing something far more intimate. She's inviting you into her private world. She's saying, this is who I really am when no one's watching, and I want you to see it. But here's where it gets wild. There's a psychological reason she's doing this at night specifically, and it has nothing to do with the picture itself. She's creating a mental association. She wants you to imagine her in that space. She wants you to think about her when you're lying in your bed at night. She wants to occupy the same mental territory that you occupy in hers. That's not casual. That's strategic obsession. And if you think that's intense, wait until you hear the next one, because this behavior is so subtle, so under the radar, that when I explain it, you're going to question if women are even aware they're doing it. She remembers everything you say, even the things you forgot. Here's the test. And I want you to think about this carefully. Mention something random in conversation, a song you like, a place you want to visit, a small detail about your day that you barely remember saying. Then days or weeks later, she brings it up at night, completely out of nowhere, like it's been sitting in her mind this whole time, waiting for the perfect moment to resurface. Now, most guys brush this off. They think, oh, she just has good memory. No, that's not what this is. When someone is obsessed with you, they don't just hear your words, they archive them. They replay conversations in their head when they're alone. They think about what you said when they should be thinking about sleep. And at night, when her thoughts are loudest and her guard is down, you're the soundtrack playing on repeat. Here's why this is so powerful. It means that even when you're not talking, she's still with you mentally. Your words live rent-free in her head, and she's desperate for you to know she was listening. But here's the part that's going to sound absolutely insane. And I'm warning you, this might be hard to believe. The one thing she does that proves she's completely obsessed. All right, this is it. The sign I promised you at the beginning, the one she has no control over. And when I tell you what it is, you're going to either laugh because it's so accurate, or you're going to feel chills because you've seen it happen. Here it is. When a woman is obsessed with you, she checks to see if you're online at night. Not once, not twice, multiple times. She's not texting you. She's not calling you. She's just checking, looking at your status, watching your activity, seeing when you were last online. And if you post something, a story, a picture, anything late at night, she's one of the first people to view it every single time. Now, why is this such a powerful indicator? Because it means you're on her mind. Even when she's trying not to think about you, she's literally monitoring your digital presence like it's her job. She wants to know what you're doing, who you're talking to, if you're thinking about her too. And here's the kicker. She's doing this at night because that's when the obsession hits hardest. That's when she's alone with her thoughts. That's when she can't distract herself anymore. So she checks your profile. She scrolls through your posts. She looks for any sign that you might be thinking about her too. That's not interest. That's full-blown obsession wrapped in secrecy. What this all really means. So let's tie this all together, because now You have the full picture. If she's texting you late at night consistently, responding instantly, keeping conversations alive when she should be sleeping, opening up about deeply personal things, sending you pictures from her most private moments, remembering every tiny detail you mention, and checking your online status when she thinks you won't notice. She's not just interested, she's completely obsessed. And here's the beautiful, terrifying truth. She might not even fully realize it herself, because obsession doesn't always announce itself. It hides in patterns, in behaviors, in the small, seemingly innocent things people do when they think no one's watching. But you're watching now, and once you see these signs, they're impossible to ignore. The question is, what do you do with this information? You don't rush. You don't force it. You don't blow up her spot by awkwardly calling it out. You match her energy. You reciprocate the effort. You show her that you're paying attention too. And you let the connection build naturally, powerfully, inevitably. Because when a woman is obsessed with you at this level, she's already made her decision. Your job isn't to convince her. Your job is to be worth the obsession. If this hit home and you've seen these exact signs, drop a comment with the word noticed, so I know you've been paying attention, and hit that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Next video, I'm revealing the daytime behaviors that prove she's hiding her obsession from everyone, including herself. You won't want to miss.